हेलो डियर स्टूडेंट्स, आज क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 में आए हैं. नेचुरल नंबर n expressed as base 10 Sn denotes the all sum of all digits. Find the natural numbers m and n such that m less than n and Sn equal to n square, Sn equal to n square. ठीक है. So m less than n, so m का वैल्यू क्या होगा? 10 to the power k minus 1 a k minus 1, 10 to the power k minus 2 a k minus 2 dot 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 10 a1 plus a0. So be a kth digit number. So then we have 10 to the power k minus 1 less than m less than n. So this is s of m of square, a of k minus 1, a of k minus 2 dot 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 a1 plus a0 का square. So that is less than 9 square k square. So if k greater than equal to 5, that is not possible, hence k less than equal to 4 we take. At k equal to 4 we now calculate m equal to 1000 k3, sorry 1000 a3, 100 a2, 10 a1 plus a0, that is less than a3 plus a2 plus a1 plus a0 square, that is less than 36 square, that is 1296. So this shows that a3 equal to 1 directly from here. In this case m equal to 1000 plus 100 a2 plus 10 a1 plus a0, that is less than 1 plus this square, so that is less than 28 square, that is 784. Third case a2 less than equal to 7 होगा. a2 equal to 7 में m equal to 700 हो जाएगा plus 10 a1 plus a0. ठीक है, less than 7 a1 plus a0 square less than equal to 25 square, ये हो गया 625. Similarly again we can do all this process for 6. So finally m equal to 500 plus 10 a1 plus a0 less than n equal to s of m square less than equal to 2 square, that is 484. Okay, so finally we get two values here, and that is now we can see that the square up to 22 square and it has an n such that m equal to s of n of square. ठीक है, and n equal to s of m of square. So the first such square is m equal to 81, that is 9 square. ठीक है, so but in this case n equal to 81, so m equal to n violating m less than n. So obviously we go for the next, m equal to 169, that is 13 square, and n is equal to again this thing, so 14 256. So the answer is m and n is 169 and 250.